Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by enabling auto filter on the header row so the dataset responds immediately. Click Data, then Filter. Make sure only one header row is selected because multiple header rows confuse column recognition. Once done, clear any existing filters and hidden rows since leftover filters will skew results. You want a clean slate, visible rows, accurate column labels, and consistent data types. Now you're ready to apply the first real filter criteria to narrow the dataset instantly and reliably. Once the basic filter is active, combine multiple column filters to get precise results. You control logic across columns, think and for intersecting criteria, or for alternatives. Make use of custom filter to set greater than, less than contains, begins with, or wildcard patterns like asterisk invoice asterisk. Also, filter by cell color or icon when visual formatting encodes status. When you chain filters, make sure to check the filtered row count so you know whether your criteria are too restrictive or too broad. To finish, copy the filtered results to a new sheet or export them so you don't accidentally edit the master data. Save a filtered view or record the filter settings for repeat use, then use Clear Filter when you need the full dataset back. If the outcome looks wrong, check data types, leading or trailing spaces, and hidden rows. These are common culprits. Finally, if a filter won't apply, remove merged cells and ensure the header row is contiguous, and then reapply the filter.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.